people are coming up with all kinds of inventions, really good ideas that they can use in whatever field they work in. Well, here's one from JJM Solutions, and it's a toe kick bracket that you can use on a cabinet door. Let's say you have an application where under the sink, the cabinet doesn't have a bottom and it just right up onto the floor, where that cabinet doesn't have a normal toe kick. Well, they can be used in a lot of places. Maybe it's a handicapped situation. This particular bracket is compliant for American disabilities. And so they could have their wheelchair roll into a workstation where they're working. And then when they want to have that closed off, they shut the doors and the toe kick gives a finished look. You could be using it in your garage. You could have a place where maybe you're sliding in a waste bin. A couple of other places where I think this is going to be real practical is like for garbage containers or even hampers, like in a laundry room. So there's certainly a lot of places where this toe kick bracket can be a very practical item. They come in a package of 4, and the reason they're in a package of 4 is because in most applications, in my opinion, most of the applications would be where it's a 2-door situation, where 2 doors are coming close together. But the sample that I'm going to use today, it's a working sample. I only have 1 door on it. But the idea is just to show you how this works for attaching a toe kick to a door. So now let's take the time to look at the working sample and see how she all goes together. So let's take a quick look at how this toe kick thing might apply. Well, one thing for sure, I'm going to have me a really big toe kick here because this door is fairly short. Well, still, you'll be able to see how it works, and that's the main thing. Here's a good example of what this might be used for. Here's a garbage can. So you don't have a bottom to the cabinet, and you can slide it in with no problem, but you still want it to look finished, so you would have the toe kick. So that's one example. I have a similar example. Another garbage can. Here's another garbage can. Look how nice that. So there's a good application for this toe kick thing. And I think I could get a green one to work too. Hampers, vacuum cleaners, all kinds of stuff will work in this. So the first thing I'm going to do in this demonstration is attach these toe kicks to the toe kick bracket. I'm going to attach to the toe kick itself, and that should go pretty easy. I don't think it's real fussy how far you bring these in from the edge. Maybe it is, but it ain't fussy to me. And so I will just use a Vicks bit and make a hole in there, and another one on this side. If you enjoy videos like this, please like and subscribe. And then attach the screws. Thought I screwed it into the countertop, but I did not. I'm a happy boy. Oh. There. The next part of the trick is to attach the toe kick to the door, which we're going to do right now. So I've already got it marked out here, kind of where I want it. toe kick is attached to the door. That's what we want. Next step in this operation is to attach the door to the cabinet. And that isn't going to be very hard. Now the door is attached. And there's our toe kick application. Pretty nice, I'd say. Gives a nice finished look. So let's check out our finished product and see what we can actually do with it. So here's one of those waste containers I told you about earlier. And it's gone. And it looks kind of nice in there too, as you can see with the camera. Things are looking pretty sharp. So we open that up. I don't think it's too hard now to imagine what all the possibilities are once we put that toe kick thing on. This toe kick bracket gives me a 3-inch setback. That's the same as the rest of my kitchen, so it seems like that's what I want to have.